So let's discuss the concept of spiritual jail, a term often used by tarot readers. And in my personal experience, I've encountered this term in situations where individuals, whom I'll call tarot flying monkeys, engage in relentless character assassination, and I've experienced this over the years. So what does it truly mean when someone claims that a person is under heavy judgment and in spiritual jail? So I'll give you a clear example. A tarot reader targets an individual, portraying them as the most horrible person imaginable. They twist the narrative, lying about the person's character, and passes judgment through their own corrupt perspective. While in this process, they also elevate themselves by adopting titles like Earth Angel or Prophet, similar to how cult leaders claim divine authority by saying, "I am God, so follow me." Through the readings, these individuals weave lies and illusions, subtly slandering their target and misleading others. Deception of this kind has a dark and demonic undertone. In psychology, it's a red flag when someone forcefully imposes their identity as something birth, saying things like, "I'm a prophet, I'm an earth angel," or "I'm a good person." Such statements are often part of a manipulative scheme designed to mask their true intentions. In reality, those who boast about their supposed goodness or righteousness are frequently the ones who are truly evil. So in this context, the term demonic can be understood as something that disguises itself as spiritual, while jail symbolizes oppression. When tarot readers claim that a person is under heavy judgment or in spiritual jail, this is often an illusion. It's a narrative that they create to project their own distorted version of reality. So the moment you hear them trash talking their so-called villain, that's the real truth revealing itself. It's not about the divine judgment, but rather their own act of judging, used as a tool for persecution. They portray themselves as virtuous, adopting titles like angel or prophet or I'm a good person. So you believe their words, but this self-proclaimed goodness is nothing more than a facade. So in reality, this is demonic deception. Their talk of spiritual jail is a manipulation tactic designed to oppress and control. And true spiritual jail, as they present it, is not divine judgment, but it's their attempt to impose demonic oppression on others.